Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious chicken. Okay guys, first of all, what I'm trying to achieve right now is to take every excess water out from the chicken so that the spices can penetrate very well. Okay guys, so these are my ingredients. I have ginger, I have garlic, onions, cloves, and kitty anise, and also I have chicken flavor. Yes, you can use any choice of your spices that you want, but me, I love to use natural spices, especially ginger and garlic. Oh my god, you can never go wrong using ginger and garlic in your chicken recipes. Okay guys, so at this point, in say wunya kitchen hand gloves bia ebeboa san say chilies ne woman no so don sa etumu sa ebe hihyew pa inti me patch also an wahwe ni ti na me use spatula e de aye no. Why? So you make sure say you mix the spices on the chicken very well so ne be ya e be cut every angle. Okay, into the rest of the spices no I'll say me feeling gum. Yeah, na me bomodia emma ekukomu ye. Me de me pe spices so me pe chicken, not spices keke. Me pe natural spices. Inti se me rima kuko na manase me namubia. I have to make sure say sa natural spices e biakom. Ene enye nchire susu bebre kakra bi to taste. Yes. Okay guys, inti I say me bomodia abe kavaso till the next morning. Why? Yes, I will let it sit for the next morning, 24 hours, and sana me de akoshe me oven emu. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so if you try this recipe, just let me know. I know your chicken will be delicious. Welcome back guys. So my chicken is ready to go inside the oven. It's been 24 hours now. It's the ciano. I have to put it in the oven. Okay guys, let me show you how it looks like. Good. Room temperature for 24 hours, and it's ready to go inside the oven. Guys, this chicken, oh my god, you need to try it. You can eat this chicken with benku rice, name it, fried yams, fries, everything. This chicken is very spicy and delicious. Guys, I can't wait to chew a bit. Ain't it tiring? Although the chicken was some oil be 100 that day, but you know. Inside here. This is the chicken, bed line in the up. Now I come on. Okay guys, so here I'm adding the rest of the sauce to it so that my chicken will be very juicy and crispy at the same time. Crunchy, you know, we want that crunchiness and at the same time juicy. Okay, so guys, the chicken will go inside the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, then it should be done. Okay, don't go anywhere. Oh my god guys, just look at this, just look at that. This chicken is a vibe. You just need to try this recipe. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. It's not even done, it's almost done guys. It's about, let's say, 25 minutes. So I have to turn it, give it a okay guys, so that is all. I have to add some onion for garnishing. Thank you all for watching my video. I just can't wait for you to give me your comments. I love you guys. Mwah.